Hi, it's Donna and Dixie from A Healthier Dog. Today I've got some tips on holistic dog care. Tip number one is stress relief with CBD oil. I've got this one that's in a little cookie. Normally I buy it in a dropper. Either is great, helps dogs to calm down if there's a stressful situation, whether it be a thunderstorm or construction nearby or fireworks. Tip number two is when you bathe your dog, make sure you put something like this in their ear to dry it out. And you can take a cotton ball after you put it in. Well, actually put it in the ear, and then before they shake, gently massage it, and then they will shake. And then get your cotton ball and put your cotton ball down in the ear. Don't worry about getting it too far. Cotton balls can't go so far that it's dangerous. Never use a Q-tip in a dog's ear. You can cause a lot of problems, so don't do that. And sometimes your dog's ears are just dirty, and you can use this to clean it out. Actually, there's some good homemade recipes with green tea that I will share with you. And another tip is if they have a wound well, Dixie had an infected teat a few months ago, and it was really inflamed and swollen, and I was very concerned when I saw it. And I thought I was going to have to run her to the vet. I knew they were going to want to put her on antibiotics, and I didn't want that. She's never been on antibiotics, which means her gut biome is in amazing shape, and the majority of our immune system is in our gut, as well as for the dogs. And an antibiotic will kill off all the good and bad bacteria together, and you'll have to regrow the good bacteria. So I remembered that I could use Providine iodine, and by the third treatment she was completely better. Her teat was back to normal, and I couldn't tell that it had a problem at all. So I just took a cotton ball, put some Providine on it, and dabbed it generously on her teat. And I did that in the morning, in the evening, and the next morning I did it again, but I believe by then it was looking completely healed. Be careful, it does stain, so you want to make sure that they don't get anything on that you wouldn't want stained. Another tip is colloidal silver. This is one I picked up. Okay, Dixie. Woo! Time to chase something. Colloidal silver, you can get it in a spray that you take orally, or you can get it in a spray or droppers that you just put on a wound, like I could have used it on her teat to treat it. Also, back to the Providone, I wanted to mention that I had a dog in the past that used to get an infection on her chin, and the first time she got it, I took her to the vet and he put her on antibiotics. And a few months later she got it again, and I didn't want her back on antibiotics, and I tried the Providone on it, and it cleared it up so fast. And she seemed to get that for a few years, every few months. And I would just put the Providone on it, and it would clear it up so fast. So I love being able to avoid the vet because it's expensive, and I don't like the pharmaceutical medicines that they want to put them on. So I would rather treat it with something natural. So I know that these things are going to bless you and be helpful for you. Please like the video for me, subscribe if you haven't, and I would love to know what you think, any comments, and if you have any questions about today's video, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in the future, let me know.